O simbot menteri rang ba kejela ba Preston tensong lakan tu ya kiseng bhalang ban umde ban aiding halor kejingja ka badangshen hai chamati na kaliang deputy chief minister Preston tensong lakan tu jor ya kiseng bhalang ba kimde ban aiding halor kene kejingja.
We have pick up two people from there, and I will not give you all the details since the investigation is on. So let us be a little more patient till we reach out to the conclusion. Then only we'll be able to tell exactly what is happening. Well, the message is very clear. Be it our local NGOs or be it the non-tribal NGOs, so-called. My request and my appeal to all of them is, please don't cross the line. You can't cross the line. Let the law prevail as it is, and the law will not spare to anybody. So I would like to appeal and request all of them to refrain from such uh, kind of incident, which is very unfortunate to to everybody. So I would like to request all of them that see the law is above everybody, and from the government side, we'll make sure that let the law takes its own course. No, we all say the challenges are always there, but we are prepared for it. Whatever law and order arises, we are there. We are capable to handle things. And as I said to you, my request is only this: that any concerned NGOs, they should not add fuel unnecessarily to the incident. Because I think recently I saw even I don't know, I may call it a fake statement made that they wanted to do this, that, unnecessarily they fuel is added. So I would request all of them, and I warn also, not only request, I warn everybody, don't go beyond the limit of prescribed law, because we are being guided by the law, we are being guided by the rules and regulations.